Influenza remains a major global health challenge. Each year, millions of people are affected, and getting vaccinated is the best defense. But how do vaccines work? And what's the difference between the emerging mRNA influenza vaccines and the newly approved self-administered FluMist nasal spray? Let's break it down. Vaccines are designed to train our immune system to recognize and fight harmful pathogens, such as viruses. When a vaccine is introduced into the body, it mimics a virus or bacteria without causing illness. This triggers the production of antibodies, special proteins that can neutralize invaders. If the body encounters the real virus in the future, the immune system can respond swiftly and effectively, preventing severe illness. There are different types of vaccines. Some use weakened or inactive viruses, while others rely on newer technologies like mRNA. Let's look at two key players in the fight against the flu. First up, mRNA influenza vaccines. While they're still in development, mRNA vaccines have already shown great promise in tackling COVID-19. But how do they work? mRNA vaccines don't use the virus itself. Instead, they carry instructions, mRNA, that teach our cells to make a harmless piece of the flu virus, usually a protein. Once made, our immune system detects this protein, recognizes it as foreign, and produces antibodies to destroy it. This technology allows for faster updates to vaccines if the virus mutates, offering an edge in rapidly evolving flu seasons. mRNA vaccines are particularly promising for high-risk populations, like older adults and those with weakened immune systems, as they can elicit a stronger and more targeted immune response. Now, let's talk about the FluMist nasal spray, a vaccine you can give yourself at home. Unlike mRNA vaccines, FluMist contains a live but weakened form of the flu virus. It's administered as a nasal spray, and it works by stimulating your immune system right in the respiratory tract, which is where the flu virus typically enters the body. Now, let's talk about the FluMist nasal spray, a vaccine you can give yourself at home. Unlike mRNA vaccines, FluMist contains a live but weakened form of the flu virus. It's administered as a nasal spray, and it works by stimulating your immune system right in the respiratory tract, which is where the flu virus typically enters the body. mRNA vaccines provide a highly adaptable and potentially more potent immune response, making them ideal for high-risk groups. FluMist, on the other hand, offers convenience and is an excellent choice for healthy individuals between the ages of 2 and 49 who are looking for a needle-free option. Ultimately, the choice of flu vaccine depends on your age, health status, and personal preferences. The most important thing is to get vaccinated because when it comes to the flu, prevention is your best weapon. Stay informed, stay protected, and let's tackle the flu together.